Our pancake is ready. Looks beautiful on both sides, honestly. Our first egg is looking pretty good as well. And our bacon getting nice and crispy. Now, one thing you'll see is there's a lot of grease that's actually on the griddle right here from the bacon. There is a grease trap, but since it's not angled downwards, this grease is not going on its own. Now, I could definitely push it through and help it get caught in that grease trap, but it feels like it should be angled to get this out for me. And here is our delicious breakfast. It definitely cooked it nice and well. Everything with breakfast was a success, except for the one egg that weirdly got stuck on the pan. I'm not sure why, because everything else was super easy to flip.